Hi. Okay, so today we want to do a stain remover that's toxin free, and what I'm going to do is I've got 3 cups of warm water here. So I boiled some water and I added some cold water. I've got a 1/4 cup, that's 3 cups of water in my glass jar, and then a 1/4 cup of bicarb. So I'm mixing the bicarb with the warm water first. I find that works the best. And then I'm going to add a little bottle of hydrogen peroxide that I just got from Diskin, and 3 caps of Thieves laundry household cleaner, and I'm going to add 10 drops of lemon. And then when you use this mixture in your laundry, so it's color safe, totally color safe, and obviously toxin free, you're just going to use a 1/4 cup in your bleach dispenser in your washing machine. So I'm going to add 3 caps of household cleaner. So it's totally color safe. I don't really have kiddies that have like stained clothes, so I want to use it for my white bedding and white towels. So yeah, that's what I want to use it for. Then the hydrogen peroxide, just be careful, it's quite harsh. Just give me a look there. Okay, and then 10 drops. Wonderful. Great, and that's your mixture. Laundry mix, stain remover, here we go. Ciao.